Are you a landlord? And do you have an attorney helping you in your rental business? If not, you could be losing a lot and you could be facing liability. Hi, I'm attorney Tim Baldwin. I specialize in landlord tenant law. One of the things I commonly see is that landlords try to do their own work, their own legal work by themselves. There are several great reasons to have an attorney helping you in your rental business. First of all, tenants are learning a lot more about their rights and what your obligations are under the law. The internet and the advent of AI gives tenants a tremendous tool to learn a lot more than they used to just a few years ago. Next, there's a lot of legal aid law firms that represent tenants for free. So don't think that just because the tenant may not be able to afford an attorney ordinarily, that they're not going to be able to get an attorney to help them. Next, you need a lease agreement that's solid and drafted by an attorney who knows your business. Lease agreements are a great tool to make sure your business operates efficiently, make sure the tenant complies with their obligations, and that you have the remedy and the recourse to enforce the agreement on the tenant. Next is the landlord business is actually becoming more scrutinized by the public in general. Media and articles talking about landlords have become commonplace nowadays. And so if you do something that's wrong, that could become something that actually is public. Lastly, you can face liability when you don't do things the proper way. Whether the tenant gets injured or you violate their rights in some way, you could be facing damages, paying their attorney's fees, and in some cases, even facing punitive damages. Read the article below and learn more about why it's so important for you to have an attorney on your side. Thanks for watching, y'all.